I'm Laura Woj with Threaded Armor, and I am so excited to show you our new protective briefs. So let's crack one open. This is the protective brief. As you can see, it has boxer style elastic. It has waterproof tabs, waterproof face all through the body and the wet zone. Super soft fleece legs. But I'm gonna flip this inside out, and show you the magic. Okay, I had to shut the door. I have a very chatty bird. Same bird as in all the other videos that you might have heard. So he's down there having a good time. This is the inside out look of the protective brief. So you've got this waterproof gusset at the top back, waterproof gusset at the top front, and waterproof side gussets here. The protective brief in itself is really, it can be used as a cover. If you were in a disposable already and you had a long train ride and you just needed to make sure, you could just put that on over it. But the magic doesn't stop there, of course. We have the absorbency built in. Why we don't sew the absorbency directly into this is so that this product can get really clean, dry really fast. You could even hang dry. You could hang dry the shell and then you could wash them separate. You can use fabric softener on this piece, but not fabric softener on the shell. And some people like that. Some people like to put the smell and the softness of the fabric softener on their product. You can do that with this, whereas cloth diapers that have the whole thing built in, you cannot use fabric softener on the absorbency. So let's check out the absorbency. And here's the magic. Are you ready? Da, 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 da. My camera's not the best, and I'm gonna try and go slow to show this to you, but on the inside, we have these little ribbon tabs with snaps on them. And those snaps will hook up to here, holding the insert securely in place, surrounding every side of that insert with waterproof gusset to give you maximum protection. I'm going to put it together and show you what it looks like. I know it looks big, I know, but this is pretty big too. The issue between the two of them is that this is like nothing. Its absorbency truly doesn't start until right here, and then it stops right here. Okay, guys, our absorbency comes like this to this, and all of this is waterproof, and all of this is waterproof. And I'm just gonna tell you really quick, I dumped some water in this. It does not hold what ours holds, not even close to what ours holds. So if you're currently in Depends and they work for you, this is gonna work for you. In fact, if this doesn't work at night, this is gonna work at night. So let me show you. I hope this video helped to answer any questions that you might have. If not, we're pretty friendly people, so go ahead and email info@threadedarmor.com. You don't have to be embarrassed. We get what you're going through. We just want to help you solve the problem. You can check out anything I would have shown you today at threadedarmor.com. Thanks for watching.